Across centuries, certain moments reveal patterns quietly. Not through force, not through hurry. A tree blooms, a monk watches, and something deeper unfolds. It is subtle, almost imperceptible, yet instructive. The monk and the tree. A monk tended to a small garden. Among its simple plants stood a cherry blossom tree. Each spring, petals would appear slowly, sometimes in clusters, sometimes sparse. The monk observed patiently, not because he had to, but because attention itself teaches. The question of effort. One season, he noticed the tree struggling. Blossoms appeared later than usual. The branches seemed stiff. He asked himself, is it effort that makes it bloom? Or is there another rhythm? The answer was not immediate. It was in observation, in noticing without interference, observing without force. The monk watered the tree gently, pruned it carefully, but he did not push. He did not hurry. He waited, not passively, but attentively. This is the paradox. Effort that pushes too hard can obscure timing. The first bloom. Days later, the first blossom appeared, alone, delicate. Its arrival was quiet, almost unnoticed, and yet it changed how the monk saw the tree. It was not about control, not about force, but about noticing patterns and allowing them to unfold. A lesson in patience. Time itself participates in growth. Excess pressure may disturb balance. Subtlety matters more than intensity. The monk reflected, the tree teaches a rhythm that effort alone cannot create. Observation and restraint are forms of action as valid as labor. When attention meets timing, blossoms continued to appear, some days sparse, some days full. The monk realized, consistency is not insistence. Consistency is presence, not forcing, but showing up. This reveals a principle rarely stated. Some outcomes are guided more by attunement than effort. Patterns in life. This pattern repeats elsewhere, in craft, in study, in relationships. Pressure can create resistance. Attention and timing create resonance. Effort is not irrelevant. It works best when aligned with rhythm. The quiet impact. No one outside the garden noticed. No declaration was made. Yet the monk learned and the tree responded. The value was in awareness, in presence, in patient attention to unfolding processes. Reflective closure. Stories like this survive because they capture enduring truths. Patience is not passivity. Observation is not inaction. Effort and timing coexist. Action without awareness may resist itself. This is part of the Zen Wisdom Stories series, examining how subtle observation, attentiveness, and restraint influence long-term outcomes. In the next video, we'll explore how the practice of quiet focus intersects with sustained clarity.